Jasper I Enterprise Team Content App. The pros, the cons. Jasper I Enterprise Team Content App is one of the leading AI-driven content platforms for enterprises, but how effective is it for large teams? On the positive side, Jasper I excels at generating high-quality marketing copy, blog content, social media posts, and ad copy. The surprising truth is that teams can scale content production without sacrificing creativity, using AI templates, tone adjustments, and workflow collaboration. Enterprises can integrate Jasper into their existing content pipelines, speeding up approvals and reducing bottlenecks. Many organizations report saving hours per week while producing consistent, brand-aligned content. Jasper's ability to rewrite, summarize, and optimize content for SEO also adds measurable value. However, there are drawbacks. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI-generated content requires no human oversight. Enterprises still need editors to ensure accuracy, brand voice, and factual correctness. Additionally, while Jasper is powerful, it can be expensive at the enterprise level, especially with multiple users or API access. Some teams may experience a learning curve when incorporating AI into their content strategy effectively. In conclusion, Jasper I Enterprise Team Content App is ideal for enterprises looking to scale content creation efficiently while maintaining quality. Its strengths lie in AI-driven writing, collaboration features, and SEO optimization. While human oversight remains essential, Jasper empowers teams to produce more content faster, reduce repetitive tasks, and focus on strategic marketing initiatives.